I'm very excited about this new CoCo Smartwatch BT2-Z. This layer serves as a protective barrier shielding the smartwatch from dust, moisture, and other environmental factors during shipping. Let's open this layer first. This added protection ensures that your CoCo Smartwatch BT2-Z remains in pristine condition from the moment you unbox it. Before we dive into setting up our CoCo Smartwatch BT2-Z, let's take a peek inside the box. Hold the box top firmly. Let gravity do its work as you slide the cover down slowly. It feels like opening a gift. Here's the smartwatch. Let's set it aside for now. Along with the CoCo Smartwatch BT2-Z, there are extra goodies to enhance your experience. First off, it has 2 additional bands, perfect for styling your smartwatch to match your unique fashion sense. Whether you're feeling sporty or sophisticated, there's a band for every occasion. Next, it has its warranty card and a quick start card. Pay attention to this quick start card. It's your ticket to getting up and running in no time. You'll notice 2 QR codes here. One is for the user guide and the other is to download the CoCo app. Simply scan this code with your smartphone camera to download the user guide. Alternatively, you can download the user manual from the URL provided. Full user guide packed with handy tips and instructions to help you make the most of your CoCo Smartwatch BT2-Z. Next, let's set up your CoCo Smartwatch. The CoCo Smartwatch uses a magnet to charge. Make sure it clicks into place correctly. This will also power on your smartwatch. Let it continue charging for now. The CoCo Smartwatch BT2-Z supports both iOS and Android. You can scan the barcode on the quick start card or on the back of the box. Another way to download the CoCo app is to search for CoCo Semcaro in the App Store. Download the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. And there you have it. With the extra bands, warranty card, quick start card, and CoCo app, you're all set to embark on your smartwatch journey. Thanks for joining me today.